Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you what I have here. I have heat transfer vinyl. So if you have one of those Cricut machines or another type of cutting machine, this is for you. If I can open it, there we go. And I'll show you what we get. So this one here is white sparkly. Look at how pretty that is. This is gonna look great. Okay, so I'll show you what the instructions show on it. And we will kind of just check it out here. So this is kind of it here. It says, first one is, use your computer to create your design. 2, feed the vinyl into the cutting machine. 3, remove the excess parts, the weeding of it. 4, you place it on top of your shirt or whatever. Then you heat it, and then you warm, peel, and wait. So that's kind of it. So kind of a item there. If you use something like one of these, a little iron, this is the little iron that Cricut makes that you can iron your vinyl on. So this is what it looks like here. I'm just going to cut a little piece of this off. Do I have scissors? No. Okay, let me just cut a little piece off to show you what it looks like here. Okay, and okay, so we've got just a small piece here to show you what it looks like here. And let me see if I can peel off the back without doing any heating or cutting or anything like that. It cuts super easy, so it's gonna cut into the vinyl maker really nice. But look at this, when it does it here, it's very sparkly there, so it's gonna leave a good sparkly colored vinyl one there. This one here is, does it say what color it is? It just says guangyintong. So, but it is going to make a nice sparkly heat transfer. And it looks like it comes in all these different colors here as well. So how cool is that? So you have this here, it'll cut it all up. And the vinyl is, it's nice and strong. It's good. It's going to look good on anything, it'll make it look sparkly. But how cool is that? That's really nice stuff. Super good quality. I'm going to say this is going to be really good stuff. So, and it comes in a nice big spool of it. So if you feed it into your Cricut machine, you'll be able to get a good deal of stuff to imprint with it. So really cool. Thumbs up for sure.